गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। कैसे हैं भाई? टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट माय second lecture for class 9th. The name of chapter was matter in our surrounding. In that chapter I was taught about matter and characteristics of matter. Today I am going to taught in the second lecture about the state of matter. If we observe matters around us, we can see that different substances can be classified into three states of matter. But it means matter is divided into three states: solid, liquid and gas. But according to modern scientists, matter has classified into five types: solid, liquid, gas, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Now I am going through the topic for the state of matter. At present we will study the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. After that, then we will study about the fourth state of matter, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Here there are three blocks in which the arrangement of particle is shown for the three state of matter: solid, liquid and gas. It means matter state of matter. First, solid state. Second, liquid state. Liquid state. Third, gaseous state. Fourth, plasma state. And fifth, Bose-Einstein condensate. As according to the different variety of different state of matter, the matter is classified into solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. But according to modern scientists, matter has been classified into five types: solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, plasma state and Bose-Einstein condensate. Here there are three blocks available in which particle, that block represents the particle model of three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. In solid, we see that the particles of matter are closely packed. There is a negligible distance between the particle distance. But in the liquid, there is a some space, that space, that space, that space. We see in comparison to solid and liquid, the interparticle space, the intermolecular, or we can say that atomic space, is more than solid. In solid, particles are closely packed, they are closely adjacent. Now we are coming on gas. In gas, we see that the interparticle distance is very high. In comparison to liquid and gas, we see that the interparticle distance, the intermolecular distance is high, very high in case of gas. So these are the particle arrangement of state of matter: solid, liquid and gas. In solid, particles are closely packed. In liquid, there is some distance, and gases have very high distance. These are the particle arrangement of three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. We can define the solid liquid in this way: solid having fixed volume and fixed shape and size. Liquid have fixed volume but it has no fixed shape and size. Gases have neither fixed volume nor fixed shape. Now I am going to discuss about the characteristics of solid, liquid and gas, or we can say that property of solid, liquid and gas. For this we make three columns. Characteristics of solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. First, intermolecular force of attraction. I will discuss about the intermolecular force in the characteristics of particle of matter, in which I was said that particle of matter attract each other. It means there is a force holds between the particle of matter. That force is called intermolecular force, or we can say that interparticle attractive force, intermolecular force of attraction. In case of solids, I was made the diagram in which the particles are closely packed. It means there is a negligible distance between the particle of matter. So we can say that there is a very strong intermolecular force in the case of solid. In solid, we also know that there is a force hold which is known as lattice force also. Lattice force holds, or we can say that lattice force acts only in the in between the particle of solid. In solid, the particle between them, the force hold is also known as lattice force. लैटिस फोर्स केवल सॉलिड के पार्टिकल के बीच ही केवल लगता है। तो यहां पर सॉलिड में चूंकि सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग लैटिस फोर्स होता है, चूंकि वो क्लोजली पैक होते हैं, तो सॉलिड के लिए आवर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग intermolecular force of attraction. In case of liquid, we know that there is some space between the particle of liquid, and as we know that the force is inversely proportional to the distance, so the intermolecular force will be weaker in case of liquid molecule. Weak intermolecular force. Weak intermolecular force. In case of gases, as we know that in the characteristics of particle of matter, I was said that particle of matter are continuously moving. So there is a great distance between the particle of matter. So very weak, we can say that least very weak intermolecular force holds between the particle of gases. Very weak intermolecular force. Second, volume. As we know that the space occupied by an object is said to be volume. सॉलिड का वॉल्यूम फिक्स होता है. सपोज दैट आई एम टेकिंग ए इंस्ट्रूमेंट बॉक्स ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एंड ड्रॉ द आउटर लाइन अराउंड द इंस्ट्रूमेंट बॉक्स. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स, that line represents the space covered by the instrument box. So we can say that the solid has fixed volume. Solid has fixed volume. Fixed volume. Liquid has also fixed volume. Liquid का भी volume fixed होता है. Our liquid has also fixed volume. Fixed volume. But our gases have neither fixed volume. गैस का कोई फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम नहीं होता है. सपोज दैट आवर एलपीजी गैस, लिक्विफाइड पेट्रोलियम गैस, विच इज compressed in the cylinder, that LPG gas, or we can say that the liquid butane acquire the volume of the cylindrical container cylinder. Our oxygen gas cylinder, which is used in the hospital and nursing home, in that